Welcome to today's lesson. As you can see on your screen, but before I do the introduction, I am your host, Prince Armstrong of Armstrong Computers College. So today, indeed, as I just said, I welcome you all to today's lesson. And today, the topic we are going to look at is assigning barcode to products, understanding discount, and the best practice of how to back up our products or our inventory so far as our point of sale system is concerned. So having said that, let's move to the next segment. So the objectives we are going to look at, today's objectives is we are going to learn how to efficiently assign barcode, apply discount, and manage backups in QuickBooks point of sales. So the question here is this: when we talk about assigning barcodes to products, what is a barcode? A barcode is a unique identification that helps track products in inventory. Okay, so in simply put, when you buy a product, the barcode helps to fetch that product quickly, and also it helps in avoiding repetitive of duplicates of products in the system. So for instance, when you go to Melcom, for instance, and then you can see that they just pick a product, and then when they pick the products, they go ahead and then scan the products, and the price of the product then appear on the screen, and they can just look at that and serve the customer. So that is what a barcode is. Now we understand what really a barcode is. Let's move to the next segment as to how to apply the barcode to products. So the step to assign a barcode in QuickBooks point of sales is one. When you open your QuickBooks point of sales, you go to inventory, and then you select the product. When you select the product you want to assign the barcode to, okay, that means that we have to do it one product after the other. So if it is Nutty Snack, you search for Nutty Snack. If it is Coca-Cola, you search for Coca-Cola, and then that is the product you want to assign the barcode to. So if the product is selected, then you go ahead and click on edit item, and then you enter the barcode in the descripted field or the description field. More or less, you edit the product, then you use the barcode scanner to scan the barcode as to the field that is being provided to scan the barcode to. And after you finish doing that, you go ahead and save changes to the product that you've assigned the barcode to. So now we've seen the process that we can take to assign the barcode to a product in QuickBooks. Let's look at it practically. This is my entire screen. This is my desktop. So I'll go ahead and then launch my QuickBooks point of sales. And switch. So this is my QuickBooks point of sale. So I'll go ahead and double click on it. By typing my password. Okay, so now I've launched into my QuickBooks point of sales, as you can see here. So now, as the step that is being provided, as I said, you have to go to inventory, then you select, you can go to, when you click on inventory here, you go to inventory list. So when you click on inventory list, let me maximize it. When you click on the inventory list, you can see that we have some couple of items listed. Okay, so you select the item that you want to assign the barcode to. So let's say you can see we have Coca-Cola here. We have Coca-Cola 500 ml, which is a soft drink, the department. Then I'll look through the menu here in the edit button here, click on edit. Then a dialog box will display, where I'll come to this sector where we have UPS. I'll click there and then scan my barcode there. Okay, so basically that is how to assign a barcode to a product. So as I have explained, I'm going to demonstrate this step by step, which I'm going to go ahead and connect to my camera just a moment. So as you can see, I have some product here which is Nutty Snack. Okay, I have a Nutty Snack here and I have my barcode here. So I'm going to connect the barcode and then I'll go ahead and add this product, which is the Nutty Snack, and then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just add this product known as Nutty Snack, and then use the barcode that I just bought to just scan into the product. So you can all watch. So you can see here, this is a new barcode that we bought towards this course for you guys to see how to set it up. Okay, so you can see this is my barcode. Okay, and this is the rope. Okay, so this type of barcode, for instance, this is a handheld barcode. In addition to it, you can see that everything is still. Let me show you how you can do what you can connect that. So first I'll tear it. Okay, so this is it here. You can see I'm just loosening the cable. So this is how it is here. So the down here, this very down here, IG45 cable being a network cable. So how will I connect it? You could look at the hole here, how it is, and this is it. So what I'll do is that I'll go ahead and then place it in here, and then you hear a sound like cat, meaning it has been what? It has been fixed. So it is fixed. Okay, so it is fixed nicely. So after it is fixed, now what I'll do is that I'll go ahead, okay, and connect this very cable, okay, at the USB portal of my system, or the system in which you are using to set up the point of sale system, whoever you are setting it for, the person's system. You can see that the knob is a USB knob. Okay, so let's go directly and then connect it. So at my side here, you can see here I have my USB connector. So I'll connect it to my USB here nicely like this. Okay, so after I connect it, you can see that a sound, it just give a sound, a beep sound. And you can see that is showing here that you can see a set up a device, which is a new device is found. So as a new device is found, so I'm good to go. You can see there's some lighting in it there, the red lighting. So that is kind of like sensor that I'm going to use to scan the product. Okay, taking that from the way, let that straight to my QuickBook, and then let's look at how I'm going to demonstrate that. Okay, so to add a product, I'll go ahead and click on this side where we have add product. So I'll click on add product, and this is Nutty Snack. Okay, this is Nutty Snack. So I'll go ahead and type the Nutty Snack. How should I get in it? So let's look at that. Okay, so you can add the strength. Okay, this is 100 grams. So I'll just type 100 grams, or you can equally come to the size and type the 100 grams there. If you don't want to put the 100 grams there, you can come and put it here. So let's put it at the size where I'm going to say 100 grams. What I'll do again is that I'll go ahead and then come to, let's say, the department. Click on the department, and we have a couple of departments here. So let me select food. Okay, so then let's come to where we have regional price. The regional price then talks about how I'm selling the product. Okay, how I'm selling the product, and that is the regional price. So I'll go ahead and price it. So how I'm selling it, let's say I'm selling it 10 cedis, and then I bought it, let's say 5 cedis. I'm just saying Okay, let's say I bought it 7 cedis. I'm making 3 cedis profit. Now the quantity I'm having is what is 10. Then I come to where we have the UPC. You select that side, and then this is my barcode. Then you can see, you focus on this barcode. You see that when you watch very carefully here, you can see there's a barcode here. Okay, this is the barcode you are going to focus on, and also I'm going to use my barcode scanner to scan that code, and then that code will be written there. So let's look at that. So for me to do that, I'll just hold the product. As I just hold the product here, and then use the barcode scanner and scan it. You hear a sound. Okay, so it has finished scanning. So you can see that after scanning, it has just brought the code there nicely. So after that, save. Done. Now the best practice of using barcode is that anytime you assign a barcode to a product, as you can see here, the barcode is showing here, you must make sure that you scan the product again to see that whether the barcode is going to call the item again. So I'll click on where we have search inventory, then I'll scan the product again, whether it will bring the nutty snack. So okay, you can see here I have only nutty snack. So that's the best way of assigning, and that is how to assign a barcode to a product.